This video shows how to fix a Panasonic camera screen that shakes like this. It's actually very easy to fix, it's just a bit tricky to disassemble. Remove the battery and memory card. Unscrew the 4 short screws at the bottom using a Phillips screwdriver, turning counterclockwise to loosen them. Pay attention to the shape and length of each screw to avoid mixing them up when reassembling. Unscrew the longer screw located in the battery compartment, so there are a total of 5 screws at the bottom. For the Lumix G7, here are the types and quantities of screws used. The screw color may vary depending on where the product was manufactured. Unscrew 1 screw on the right side. Unscrew 2 screws on the left side. Unscrew 2 screws under the viewfinder. After that, remove the viewfinder rubber as shown in the video. Unscrew the 2 viewfinder screws. Open the back part of the camera. Do this carefully because there's a flexible cable inside. It should come off quite easily. If it feels tight, there might be a screw you haven't removed yet. Unscrew the 2 hinge cover screws as shown in the photo. The purpose is to remove this cover. And here's the reason why the screen wobbles. The hinge screw is loose. To fix it, simply tighten the screw. Then, reassemble everything by reversing the process. When reassembling, pay attention when attaching the viewfinder. Make sure the top part of the rubber fits snugly. You can see how to do this in the video.